I went ahead and bought a pair of these luggage holders. It's a stand that you can use to put luggage for your guests or whatnot that come to visit your home. In my case, this is an Airbnb, and I don't want people putting bags on top of the furniture or the desk, whatever. So this is very convenient for them to use. This particular one, it's got your standard nylon straps here going across, and a all wood construction. So it's real wood. It's not particle board with a cover on it. It's a real piece of wood. It's heavy. You can feel it. It feels like really good quality. I'm very surprised for the price and how they fit and feel, how good the quality is, because at this price point, you're really getting a good piece of accessory here for your home. So definitely would recommend it. They're strong. They've got good color finish. There's different colors you can choose from, and they will definitely do the job putting your luggage on there. Hey, I hope this helps. Have a great day.